Okay, so hello guys, good morning. I-discuss ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano natin gagamitin yung ating WTV PH portal. So first, visit our website, so www.wtvphilippines.com. So enter. And then, pag dating natin sa just tawag dito, leave yung subscription. So proceed na tayo dun sa ating website mismo. So, click PH Portal. Okay? And then, dadalhin tayo niyan sa web access natin for our Philippine portal. Okay? So ito na siya. So, ita-type natin dito yung ating terminal ID. And then, lahat po ng members, meron silang, or our business partners, meron tayong tinatawag na terminal ID, user ID, and the password, okay? So, yun po siya. And then click login, okay? So, this is the terminal ID, the user ID, and then the password, okay? So, click login, okay? So, once you click the login, papasok tayo ngayon sa ating user interface ng ating portal. So, sa portal natin, andito na lahat ng products and services that we have sa ating PH portal. So, nandiyan si airlines, bus, hotel, holiday package. Okay? So, sa user interface natin or sa homepage natin, nandiyan yung bank details natin. So, kasi bakit? So, para at least before you do the booking, you have to put amount or funds sa iyong portal. Okay? So, just like this. So, kagaya nito, we have 900 pesos. Okay? So, ayan. Anyway, so yun po yung process or procedure natin on how to open or how to log in on our PH portal. So again, God bless.